Hello, little learners. My name is Teacher Hart, and I am going to tell you a very special story. But before that, let me ask you some questions. Who here loves adventures? Who here likes listening to interesting stories? Wonderful! Now, have you ever seen a ship? What if I told you that there was a ship that was not ordinary? A ship that shined like gold and carried a mysterious story. Hmm. Now, let me tell you a very fascinating story from the municipality of Bayug. So put on your listening ears, open your imagination, and get ready for an exciting adventure. Let's start! Now, class, our story is entitled The Golden Ship of Bayug, a legendary story from Bayug. Now, let's start. In a quiet but lively municipality of Bayug, there lived a little child who loved listening to stories before going to sleep. Every night, he would ask his grandmother for a story. Now, do you love listening stories before going to sleep too? Wow, that's great! One evening, the wind softly blew and crickets sang outside. The child held his grandmother's hand. "Grandmother, please tell me a story before I sleep," the child said. And the grandmother answered, "All right, listen carefully, my child. This is a story from our very own Bayou." The grandmother smiled and sat beside him. Long ago, Bayog was covered with tall bayog trees. The land was peaceful and a wide river flowed gently, the Bayog River. People lived simply. They farmed, fished, and lived in a harmony with nature. One night, a fisherman went to the river to catch fish. The sky was dark and quiet. As he cast his net, he suddenly stopped. "Why do you think so?" "Huh?" the man said. Far across the river, something was glowing. "What do you think is it?" Let's find out. Slowly, a shining golden ship appeared on the water. It was bright, beautiful, and seemed made of gold and light. Can you see this golden ship? It is really indeed golden. But in just a moment, it disappeared without a second. The river became calm again. Oh my God, why is that? Let's find out. The fisherman ran to the village and told everyone what he saw. "I saw a golden ship!" the man screamed. "That is the Maria Cristina ship. When it appears, something unusual follows." "Why is that?" The elders became serious. Days later, heavy rain came to Bayog. It did not stop. The river rose higher and higher until it flooded the land. Oh my God! Help! The woman screamed. Can you see the woman screaming for help? Oh my God! After many days, the rain stopped. The water slowly went down. Bayog became peaceful again, but the memory of the flood remained. One night, another rumor spread. "I saw it again, the golden ship." People stayed silent. Some were afraid, others were curious. but no one went near the river at night. Now, the grandmother looked at the child and gently patted his head. The child asked softly, "If I ever see the golden ship, should I be afraid?" And the grandmother answered, "No, just remember, every story teaches us something." The grandmother smiled. The child closed his eyes and slowly fell asleep. Every story carries wisdom, and every legend reminds us to respect nature, listen to our elders, and value our culture. Now, class, did you enjoy listening to our story? Me too. Now, what lesson have you learned? Yes, every story carries a wisdom. And also, what? Of course, always listen to our elders and respect our culture as well as our nature. Very good, class. Good job listening. Bye-bye.